catch a glimpse of me. Don't you think that I can see you anxiously trying not to catch a glimpse of me? Don't you worry, it's okay to take a peek. See the magic words, now pretty please. Yeah, try to hide it, and you've gotten curious, so let your feelings out, stop playing dumb. Cause you know I am the fire, I got a feeling, oh. Don't you wanna come a little closer? Those words in your eyes, I'll treat it with kindness, now whatever. I'm tired of getting so dumb. You wanna come a little closer? Why are you playing cool? Just tell me what you're gonna do, boy. Take my hands, draw me close, that's when you'll hear me putting in the most. I see the trembling, baby, come and take a dose. I might change my mind, you better hurry up. Try to hide it, and you've gotten curious, so let your feelings out, stop playing dumb. Cause you know I am the fire, I got a feeling, oh. Don't you wanna come a little closer? Feel it, feel it, feel it. Be made, be made. Those words in trying not to catch a glimpse of me.